In this video, I want to share with you how to take screenshots of your web page within Firefox browser. You can get the latest version of Firefox. I've made a video on how to download and install it. I'll put the link in the description. Once you get to your Firefox browser, there's certain settings that you will just change a little so that you can enable the on-screen screenshot within the browser. Okay, so you just come over to these three lines over here, you just click on it, and then you can come all the way down to more tools, and you can come to customize toolbar. Okay, you click on customize toolbar and you can see a bunch of tools that you can add to the toolbar. Okay, so what we are interested here is the screenshot. You can see it over here, screenshot. So you just drag screenshot and drop it here. Right, so we have screenshot now added. So try to restart the browser. So let's restart Firefox. All right, so you just restart the browser. You just come over to the start menu and just search Firefox. Okay, so you can see it over here. And once you're here, you can visit any website of your choice. And let's say we are visiting epicmentorship.org. All right, so here we are at Epic Mentorship, our main website. So you can see you can navigate around. Now this feature that you can enable, that you've just enabled on how to take in screenshot, is over here. You can see these two lines, okay, from more tools. You can see them. Once you click, you can see screenshot. Okay, so once you click on screenshot, you're going to have two options. Okay, the first is save full page. Once you click on this, it's going to take the whole page that we have here. So once you click, it has already taken the full page, and now you can download it, or you can copy it out to your any kind of application you're working on, maybe Microsoft Word or thereabout. Now you can copy, but then you can have a preview of it. This is the screenshot of everything. This is a screenshot of the full page. So you can copy this out, and maybe you can come to your Word document and maybe start a new blank page, and you can paste this to have an understanding of it. So you can see, you can just right click and say paste, and it has pasted the whole page. Okay, from Epic Mentorship, this is the whole page. All right, so this is the first option. The second option could be that you click on this, you take screenshot, and you can say save visible. Okay, wherever is visible within this page is going to be to take a screenshot of it. So save visible, it has taken the screenshot, and you can see this is the visible part of it. You cannot move up. This is the visible part of it. You can download it as a PNG. Okay, click on download, and you can see it over here. It has just downloaded, so you can show in folder by clicking on this, and you can see it just here. That's downloaded, so you're free to do many more things with it. Maybe you can copy and paste it to your Microsoft Word. Also, you are doing something. Zoom in. All right, you can paste it over here. So this is the visible part of the website. Okay, so if you like, you can check custom screenshot as well. So let's say from the more tools, you can take screenshot, and you can say click, drag, or click on the page to select region, or press escape to cancel. Okay, so let's say we want to take a screenshot of only this guy's face, and we can just click to drag, and we can take the portion, and you can have the option to copy, or you can adjust the portion to have it very clean, very clearly taken, okay, without the interruption from anyone. Then you can copy this, and of course you can come over here and just paste it. Right, and you can see it, you can see how clearly it is looking. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, this is just a bit on how to enable the screenshot tool within the Firefox browser. If you enjoyed this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.